Welcome back, students. Let us continue the lesson. Next point is inserting clip art. How to insert a clip art in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. And before continuing this point, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload any new videos. The clip art feature is used to add pictures to the slides to enhance its appearance and make it more informative. So if you want to make your presentation or if you want to make your slide more informative or more attractive, in that case you can use these pictures, clip art pictures. It gives a it gives a more information related to your contents. By adding these pictures, we can explain more and more points related to the topic. Place the cursor where you want to insert the picture. So now wherever you want to insert the picture, so in that place you have to keep your cursor. Then the steps are given here, so just follow those steps so that clip art will be inserted. So first of all, let me open a PowerPoint. Click on start, click on Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. So this is the application. So now we'll see how to insert the clip art in this presentation. The first point is select the insert tab. Okay, so select the insert tab. Click on the clip art button in the images group. The clip art task pane is displayed on the right side of the window. So in your PowerPoint presentation, first click on insert tab. So in the insert tab, you have a clip art option in the images group. So images group clip art option is given. Just click on clip art option. So at the right side of your window, you will get a clip art task pane. Okay, so this is the clip art task pane. It appears at the right side, and if you want to move, you can move it also. Wherever you want to place, you can place it. Next point, type the keyword to be searched in the search for text box. For example, type computer in the search for text box and click on the go button. So now here they are given a search for box. Okay, so you can look at this image. Afterwards I'll come back for that practical session. Your search for box is given. So in this box, which image you want to search, so just you have to type the name of that image. So here in my example, in this search for box, I'll type animals. Okay, animals, then click on go button. So when I click on go button, I will get the images related to my keyword. Related to animals, I get all the images. Okay. It will display the list of clip art images related to computer. Okay, related to computer, they have searched here. Related to computer, all the images are displaying, and in my example I have searched animal images, and related to animal images, animal, all the images are displaying here. So whatever the images are available, so that is displaying in that search result. Click on the down arrow next to the picture to be added and click on the insert button. Here you can see, so next to the picture you have a down arrow. Okay, so you have a down arrow, so just you have to click on that down arrow button wherever you have kept the cursor. So in that place, that picture will be inserted. For example, I kept my cursor in this place, and I'll click on this down arrow button, and I'll get an insert option. Just click on insert, so that the picture will be inserted in that place. Okay, just click on down arrow and select insert button in that place, so that picture will be inserted. The selected clip art will be inserted in the center of the slide. You can resize or change the location of clip art according to the requirement here. So now so when we click on that option, you can directly, when you click over that image, then that image gets insert. You need not to select insert also. See here, when you click on down arrow, then here in that menu you have to choose insert option. But when you click on that image, so directly that image gets insert in your slide. And if you want to resize, so okay, just select that image and so drag the point. Okay, so that points are given, so just drag that point to resize the image. Then for rotating, just use this screen mark for rotating the image. You can rotate the image in all the 360 degree. Okay, in all the 360 degree, so that image can be rotated. So So then again other formatting effects you can give. For example, if you want to change the effect for border, you can change it. You can put a different types of style for that picture. Yes, here. You can put a frames for that. Okay, so you can put a frames or different types of styles you can apply for that, for your image. And if you want to put a border for this one, for your picture, you can put a border. And okay, see, so now you can see the yellow mark, yellow border. Okay, so these are the different options we can use it in our presentation. So this is a way to insert the clip art in our presentation. And I hope you have understood this point. And if you want to remove this clip art, just select that clip art and press the delete key on your keyboard. Select it, press the delete key on your keyboard, so that clip art will be deleted from your presentation. So in this way you can use the clip art feature in your presentation. I hope you have understood this point. And if you are not yet subscribed my channel, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload any new videos. Thank you for watching.